Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Miyun, and I'm glad to be with you again, as I plan to introduce various aspects of our company to you in the future. I will be filming a series of videos to give you detailed information. Today's video will introduce our company's non-electric air conditioning unit, officially known as the Integrated Direct-Fired Machine, which is the machine behind me. There are many pipes and equipment inside, but since the company doesn't allow me to dismantle it, I'll introduce it to you like this. When the company permits me to do so next time, I'll show you the inside. This direct-fired machine can cool, heat, and produce sanitary hot water simultaneously or separately, achieving the functionality of one machine for three purposes. It mainly has two characteristics: stability and efficiency, as well as energy conservation and environmental protection. Before filming this video, I consulted our engineers thoroughly, and we all agreed that this direct-fired machine is the heart of our research and development base, serving as the energy source for the entire building. YOCON's B and a grade GMP production workshop regulates its temperature through this direct-fired machine, enabling the production workshop to maintain stable temperature conditions throughout the year. According to the requirements of the Good Manufacturing Practice for pharmaceutical products, the GMP production workshop needs to maintain a temperature of 20 to 24 degrees Celsius during the entire production period, with an air exchange rate of over 25 times per hour. Therefore, maintaining such high-standard production line environment requires an extremely high-performance direct-fired system. As a raw material supplier for cellular drug companies, YOCON's production level fully matches that of our downstream customers who are applying for drug approval, which is difficult for other manufacturers in the industry to achieve. The second characteristic of this direct-fired machine is energy conservation and environmental protection. The direct-fired machine, also known as a non-electric air conditioning unit, as the name suggests, is an air conditioning unit that does not use electricity. It is different from the conventional air conditioning units we are familiar with. This direct-fired machine can utilize different heat sources as energy, and even waste heat can be used as a source of energy. As we mentioned when introducing the production of water for injection, steam generation produces waste heat, which can be recycled and used as energy. This process is completed through this direct-fired machine. It can use waste heat as a source of energy for cooling and heating, highlighting energy conservation and environmental protection. Furthermore, this direct-fired machine uses water as the refrigerant, and a lithium bromide aqueous solution as the absorbent. It can generate heat through waste heat and also cool through vacuum evaporation and heat absorption. Compared to Freon, lithium bromide is not harmful to the environment, which also emphasizes the characteristics of energy conservation and environmental protection. Of course, this direct-fired machine also has some disadvantages. We can see that it occupies a large area, requires a significant initial investment, and is relatively complex to manage. These may seem like disadvantageous factors for a company, but ultimately, YOCON Biotech chose this direct-fired machine for both stable production and environmental protection considerations. YOCON's research and development base is located in Miyun district, which is a very important drinking water source and ecological conservation area in China's capital. It has mountains, water, and a beautiful environment. We will never do anything that harms the environment. Because YOCON not only wants to make contributions to the health of the Chinese people, but also to the environmental health of our country. The lush mountains and clear waters of Miyun district give deeper meaning to YOCON's efforts in environmental protection. That's all for today's video. We sincerely invite you to visit YOCON Biotech's research and development base in Miyun district. We also warmly welcome you to come to Miyun, Beijing for vacations. Thank you all.